My name is Sarah and I'm a photographer. I've been doing photography ever since I was little. My parents would always give me film when we were going on vacation, and I would always use it in like a day and beg them for more. Professionally, I would say probably about 13 years or so. I've only been in Orlando for about 5 though. I normally have some crazy idea that I can't really explain to anybody, although I try to. And so I'll just put it all together and hopefully get it right, and then I can show people like, this is what I was thinking, this is my idea, and they can understand. So I kind of get ideas from everywhere and just try and execute them as well as I can. My inspiration comes from everywhere, people, places, I mean, my family and friends that have always been super encouraging. Anytime that I was like, oh my God, I have this amazing idea, even if it was really crazy, they're always like, all right, cool, let's go do it. So it kind of just comes from whatever interests me at the time, I guess. Thus far, my raw experience has been pretty cool. Everybody's been really nice. Anytime that I emailed someone, they sent me an email right back with answering my questions. Everybody seems really cool. I've met some awesome people already. When you walk in, it's just amazing because there's all these different artists and they're all just getting along together, and they're not like competing against each other or anything because they're all so different. You can find more about my work at my website, www.yellowbirdphotography.net, not .com, and there are links on there to my Instagram and Facebook. My name is Sarah and I am a raw artist.